Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called probability tree. In mathematics, the tree diagram is used in probability and statistics, and it allows us to calculate the number of possible outcomes of an event where those outcomes are listed in an organized manner. Each path of the branches in the tree diagram represents one outcome of an event. It is a simple way of representing the sequence of events, and it records all possible outcomes in an uncomplicated and clear manner. In general, tree diagram starts with one item or node that branches into two or more. Then each of the node will branch into two or more, and so on. Then the final diagram resembles a tree with a trunk and multiple branches. Tree diagram in probability theory could be utilized to express a probability space. This diagram may describe a sequence of independent events, for example, set of coin toss, or conditional probability like drawing cards from a deck without substituting the cards. Every node on the tree diagram shows the event and is connected with the probability of that happening. The root node denotes the specific event, and therefore it has a probability as 1. All set of sibling joints or nodes designates an independent and exhaustive distribution of the parent event. Sometimes we feel difficulties while calculating probability, and it is hard to figure out what to do. Tree diagram will rescue this difficulty. Consider an example in probability to allow a tree diagram for tossing a coin. There are two branches, head and tail. The probability of an event is written on the branch, and the outcome are written at the end of the branch. Thanks for watching. Bye.